Building credit with Chime can be a straightforward process. To start, visit the Chime website to set up an account. Next, arrange for a direct qualifying deposit to be made into your Chime checking account, which should be at least $200 and come from a reliable source, such as an employer or payroll provider. This direct deposit will help ensure a steady income to cover bills. Setting up automatic payments is also crucial, as it will protect against potential late payments due to forgotten due dates. This can be done by logging into the account and configuring automatic payments from the Bills tab. Using the Chime credit card responsibly is essential, which includes making timely payments and keeping purchases below 30% of the available limit. Finally, utilize the credit monitoring tools provided by Chime to track progress, identify areas for improvement, and make adjustments as needed. By following these steps, it is possible to effectively build credit with Chime.